People hate me for saying this, but a personal SWOT analysis is like a more effective horoscope. I'm Emily from Parabol. At Parabol, we have spent a lot of time designing meetings that specifically result in clear insights. Our whole thing is not wasting time doing pointless, unclear work. So, I'm going to show you how to run a SWOT analysis that will result in improved self-awareness, greater clarity on goal setting, and better preparedness for the unknown. And I promise you, it's done without a crystal ball. First of all, what is a SWOT analysis? SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a self-assessment tool that helps you prepare in all of those things I just mentioned, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in all different aspects of your life. So for example, a SWOT analysis is really good when you're making a change in your career path. It's also great when you're looking to gain more self-awareness or improve your personal relationships. It is also great for a new time in your life, like the end of the year or when a project has just wrapped up. The purpose of the analysis is to gain a clearer understanding of your own SWOT so that you can develop a strategy for personal or professional growth. Now let's dive into how you do the analysis. First, you need to decide where you're going to do the analysis. You can do it the analog way with sticky notes. You can open a blank Word document, or you can use Parabol's own SWOT analysis template. I prefer that because it gives you step-by-step guidance. The next thing is who's joining this meeting. You can totally do this on your own, or you can invite your colleagues or your partner or your friends, whoever you think needs to be involved. And if you use Parabol, you can invite all of those people for free. Now to the good part. You're going to start writing down reflections in each of those categories: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. I'm going to give you a few examples of questions in each of the categories, but linked below, you'll find that we have over 75 questions for a SWOT analysis. First up is strengths. These are internal, positive aspects. What are my key skills and competencies? What personal qualities set me apart from other people? What accomplishments am I most proud of? Next is weaknesses. These are internal negative aspects. In which areas do I lack skills or knowledge? What bad habits or behaviors might hinder my progress? What past mistakes or failures have I experienced that might indicate weaknesses? Opportunities. These are external positive aspects. What emerging trends or changes from the external environment might benefit me? Are there new markets, job openings, or ventures that align with my interests and skills? Do I have any personal or professional connections that can open doors for me? Now we're on to threats. Those are external negative aspects. Who or what competitors or obstacles are in my way to achieving my goals? Are there economic, political, or environmental factors that might hinder me reaching my goals? What are the external challenges that I don't have control over? After you're through answering the questions, you'll start to group those reflections into themes. You will definitely start to see trends emerge, and you might be surprised with what you find. With all your thoughts grouped, now you're going to rank them by importance. Importance meaning what you think is the best thing to focus on or the best thing to talk or think through. Now it's time to reflect on those top issues and make a plan for either doubling down on a strength, addressing a threat, seizing an opportunity, or improving a weakness. At this point, with all of the information that you've collected, you're going to have a better understanding on what to focus and work on next. So, are you ready to find out how to reach your goals? You can run a free personal SWOT analysis on parabol.co today.